Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO Pova 6 Pro and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do is opening Google Chrome application, settings application, something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after that we tap on this icon. And now it is scrolling and adding more information to our screenshot. We must tap on screen to stop it when we have all we need. Or we can do it manually and scroll it manually and press done when we have all we need. After processing, we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery when we press this icon. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!